1970 Dodge Challenger Trans Am. 346 pack, 4-speed car. This is a real Trans Am car. Now, somebody's done a little playing around with the emblem, so that Challenger is supposed to be there. That Challenger is not supposed to be there, but that's okay. They're just having a little fun with their own car. We're getting ready to restore this car. This is a numbers matching car. It is a factory FC7 Plum Crazy. We'll get to the part of the car where you can actually see that the original paint on it. Somebody painted it the red at some point. Those are the original 15-inch wheels on it. Somebody has removed the side megaphone exhaust, but this is a really nice, solid, original old car that, like I say, has had a paint change on it, but otherwise is pretty original. So here you can see the original black vinyl top, and underneath it is the purple paint. Well, you can't hardly see the VIN there. Well, there is one. Okay. There is the left-hand outside painted mirror, supposed to be purple. You can see there is some remnants of the original purple. And there is the original door vehicle identification number. Show you the interior there. It is bucket seat, all vinyl. It's been changed over, obviously. It's a standard dash, and they opted to get rid of the beautiful pistol grip shifter and put that strange little shifter in there. I guess for a short throw is my guess. Although I don't think it'd be worth the sacrifice to have a short throw shifter and lose that pistol grip. Do you, Petey?
No, I don't.
Yeah, Petey kind of hiding from me back here a little bit. It's okay. He's coming around a little bit. This is the third or fourth one we've done, so we're getting ready to go on a road test here maybe later this afternoon. It'll be kind of fun. Here's the more of the purple paint. 989 of these cars were built with a 4-speed. This is cool. That is the original selling dealer in Rolla, North Dakota. West Side Dodge. Take a look at the back. Still got the ducktail on it, obviously, there. Somebody added the flip-top gas cap. That is not coated on the fender tag for this particular car. But again, original wheels still being on there is awesome. Good, solid, original car. This is a cold air induction hood. That means that that scoop is fully functional. I'm going to hand this off to my man Pete here. Petey, you want to take that for me there? And I will open this critter up. And there you can see the original 346-pack engine, air cleaner assembly. So the cold air comes through this scoop up here. Can you see my little hand in there or not? That's my little hand. The air comes through there, goes in and feeds this big air cleaner plenum, and then it goes right into the carburetors, which happen to be right there, 346 pack. Hard to argue with that, isn't it, Petey?
Absolutely.
That's pretty cool stuff. Show them those fender tags there. There you go. And hand me back that phone. And Peter, you looking forward to going on a road test a little bit later? Yeah, no, it'd be a lot of fun. What shirt you got on today?
It's the Sonic University.
Oh yeah.
HP Lovecraft.
I don't know what. Oh, HP Lovecraft.
Lovecraft.
So I apologize. I didn't get the chance to go to the Robert De Niro Film School. For me, I got the School of Hard Knocks on 14th and E Street in Springfield.